Breaking news: India's National Stock Exchange, NSE, established in 1992, has achieved a historic milestone by being ranked among the world's top 10 most valuable stock exchanges in 2025, reflecting decades of consistent growth, technological innovation, and market reforms that have transformed it into one of the most respected financial institutions globally. Over the years, NSE has evolved from a modest domestic exchange into a global powerhouse, attracting investors from across continents and positioning India as a major player in international finance. The exchange's journey began in the early 1990s when India's economic liberalization policies necessitated a modern, transparent, and efficient trading platform, leading to the creation of NSE in Mumbai. With a strong focus on investor protection, market integrity, and regulatory compliance, NSE quickly became a trusted destination for equity trading, derivatives, and other financial instruments. One of the key innovations that propelled NSE ahead of its peers was the introduction of electronic trading, which replaced traditional floor-based transactions, reducing latency, improving transparency, and allowing investors across the country to participate seamlessly in the stock market. Over the years, the exchange expanded its offerings to include derivatives, currency futures, bonds, commodities, ETFs, and ESG-linked products, providing investors with a wide range of options to diversify portfolios and manage risks efficiently. The derivatives segment of NSE has particularly flourished, emerging as one of the largest in the world by volume, with contracts on indices, equities, and commodities attracting both retail and institutional investors. NSE's commitment to technological innovation has remained unwavering, with continuous upgrades to its trading, clearing, and settlement systems, adoption of algorithmic trading, high-frequency trading infrastructure, and the implementation of blockchain technology for faster and more secure settlements. The exchange has also been a pioneer in promoting financial literacy and investor education, launching extensive programs and online platforms to ensure that retail investors are well-informed, capable of making prudent investment decisions, and protected against market malpractices. NSE's market surveillance systems are considered world-class, employing artificial intelligence and advanced analytics to detect irregularities, prevent fraud, and maintain market integrity even during periods of extreme volatility, making it a model for other exchanges globally. Its indices, including the Nifty 50, Nifty Next 50, and sectoral indices, have become essential benchmarks for both domestic and global investors seeking exposure to India's economic performance, corporate earnings growth, and sectoral trends. The exchange's ability to attract foreign institutional investment has been remarkable as multinational corporations, hedge funds, sovereign wealth funds, and global asset managers increasingly view NSE-listed securities as key components of emerging market portfolios. The NSE's listing standards, corporate governance requirements, and transparency measures have enhanced investor confidence, contributing to higher liquidity, reduced market risk, and the steady appreciation of market capitalization. Its recognition among the top 10 most valuable exchanges signifies not only its size and trading volume, but also the robustness of India's economic framework, regulatory reforms, and long-term growth potential. India's GDP growth, rising middle class, technological advancements, and entrepreneurial ecosystem have all contributed to the expansion of NSE, which now serves as a platform for capital formation, funding startups, and supporting established corporations in achieving their growth objectives. The exchange has actively embraced sustainable finance, launching green bonds, ESG indices, and socially responsible investment products that align with global trends and attract investors focused on sustainability. NSE's collaborative efforts with global regulators, central banks, and international financial institutions have strengthened market practices, aligned operations with global standards, and enhanced India's financial credibility on the world stage. The exchange's robust risk management mechanisms, margin systems, and real-time monitoring ensure stability and minimize systemic risks, even in the face of economic shocks or geopolitical uncertainties. NSE's technology-driven approach has empowered retail investors across urban and rural India, providing them with mobile applications, online trading platforms, and data-driven insights that democratize access to financial markets and foster financial inclusion. The exchange's corporate governance initiatives, disclosure norms, and adherence to ethical practices have set a benchmark for transparency, accountability, and investor protection in emerging markets. Its rapid adaptation to evolving market trends, fintech innovations, and global best practices has positioned NSE as a forward-looking institution capable of meeting the demands of increasingly sophisticated investors. The NSE has also played a crucial role in shaping India's financial ecosystem, supporting regulatory reforms, introducing innovative financial instruments, and promoting awareness of investment opportunities among the general population. Its inclusion in the top 10 globally valuable exchanges reflects the culmination of decades of strategic planning, visionary leadership, technological excellence, and unwavering dedication to market integrity. The achievement highlights the growing economic influence of India, the maturity of its capital markets, and the confidence of global investors in the country's long-term growth trajectory. NSE's success story demonstrates how a combination of innovation, transparency, regulatory oversight, and investor-centric policies can transform a national exchange into a globally recognized institution. The exchange continues to expand its reach, diversify its products, and adopt cutting-edge technology to ensure efficient operations, liquidity, and investor satisfaction. As India emerges as a leading economic power, NSE is expected to further solidify its position among global financial markets, driving capital formation, supporting entrepreneurship, and contributing significantly to national and international economic growth. Its market capitalization growth, high trading volumes, and technological leadership exemplify the dynamic nature of India's financial sector and its readiness to compete on a global scale. NSE's achievements also underscore the importance of governance, innovation, and inclusivity in creating a resilient, trustworthy, and efficient market environment. By fostering transparency, promoting education, and providing equitable access to investors, NSE has created a strong foundation for sustained growth and long-term value creation. The recognition as a top 10 global stock exchange serves as an inspiration for other emerging markets to prioritize modernization, technological adoption, and regulatory compliance. With a robust framework, visionary management, and a commitment to excellence, NSE continues to play a central role in India's economic transformation, enabling businesses to raise capital, investors to generate wealth, and the country to enhance its global financial stature. The milestone achievement reflects the collective efforts of regulators, policymakers, investors, and market participants who have contributed to building a resilient,